Welcome back to Test and Quiz, the ultimate hub for tests and quizzes. Welcome to the Australian Citizenship Practice Test. This is Practice Test 8, focusing on government and the law in Australia. You'll have 20 questions to test your knowledge. Let's see how many you get right. Are you ready? Let's begin the test. What is the role of the courts in Australia? A. To decide if a person has broken the law and determine the penalty. B. To create new laws. C. To enforce government policies. The correct answer is to decide if a person has broken the law and determine the penalty. Are Australian courts independent? A. Yes. Courts in Australia operate independently. B. No. Courts follow the government's orders. C. Yes, but only in civil cases. The correct answer is yes. Courts in Australia operate independently. What can courts base their decisions on? A. Public opinion. B. The evidence presented before them. C. Government policies. The correct answer is the evidence presented before them. Who is the highest authority in a court? A. The Prime Minister. B. The police officer. C. The judge or magistrate. The correct answer is the judge or magistrate. Are judges and magistrates independent in Australia? A. Yes. They are independent and no one can tell them what to decide. B. No. They must follow government instructions. C. Yes, but only for minor cases. The correct answer is yes. They are independent and no one can tell them what to decide. Who appoints judges and magistrates in Australia? A. The Police Department. B. The Australian public through elections. C. The government. The correct answer is the government. Can the government remove a judge or magistrate if it disagrees with their decisions? A. No. The government cannot take their jobs away. B. Yes. The government can remove any judge at any time. C. Yes, but only in minor cases. The correct answer is no. The government cannot take their jobs away. What is the presumption of innocence in Australia's court system? People are considered innocent until proven guilty. B. People are guilty until they prove their innocence. C. A person is always considered guilty in a criminal trial. The correct answer is people are considered innocent until proven guilty. Does every person have the right to be represented by a lawyer in court? A. Yes. Every person has the right to a lawyer. B. No. Only the government can appoint a lawyer. C. No. People must defend themselves in court. The correct answer is yes. Every person has the right to a lawyer. What is the role of a jury in a court case? A. To create new laws. B. To decide the penalty for a crime. C. To decide if a person is innocent or guilty. The correct answer is to decide if a person is innocent or guilty. Who serves on a jury in Australia? A. Ordinary Australian citizens randomly chosen from the general population. B. Judges and lawyers. C. Government officials. The correct answer is ordinary Australian citizens randomly chosen from the general population. Who explains the law to the jury during a trial? A. The judge. B. The Prime Minister. C. The police. The correct answer is the judge. In a criminal trial, what happens if the jury finds a person guilty? A. The jury decides the penalty. B. The judge decides the penalty. C. The person is immediately sent to prison. The correct answer is the judge decides the penalty. What is the primary role of the police in Australia? A. To maintain peace and order and protect life and property. B. To create new laws. C. To act as judges in court cases. The correct answer is to maintain peace and order and protect life and property. Are the police independent of the government in Australia? A. Yes. The police operate independently of the government. B. No. The police follow direct government orders. C. Only federal police are independent. The correct answer is yes. The police operate independently of the government. What can the police do if they believe someone has broken the law? A. They can decide the person's punishment. B. They can arrest the person and bring them before a court. C. They can change the law to punish the person. The correct answer is they can arrest the person and bring them before a court. Who decides if a person is guilty after an arrest? A. The court. B. The police. C. The Prime Minister. The correct answer is the court. Who is responsible for dealing with crimes under state and territory laws? A. The police forces of each state and the Northern Territory. B. The Australian Federal Police. C. The military. The correct answer is the police forces of each state and the Northern Territory. What is the name of Australia's National Police Force? A. The Royal Australian Police. B. The Australian Federal Police, AFP. C. The Commonwealth Police Force. The correct answer is the Australian Federal Police, AFP. Which types of crimes does the Australian Federal Police investigate? A. Crimes against federal laws, such as drug trafficking and crimes against national security. B. Local traffic violations. C. State-level theft and burglary cases. The correct answer is crimes against federal laws, such as drug trafficking and crimes against national security. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and practice more tests from our playlists.